For crisping vegetables, pizza, bacon and more in the oven. Use for cooling baked goods on the counter. Nests perfectly in our half sheet. Durable nonstick is heat safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll love this versatile kitchen tool. Strong and durable steel construction with PFOA-free nonstick coating. Hand washing with a mild detergent is recommended. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful large round and sturdy cooling racks. These 13-inch round copper-plated cooling grid cake racks are absolutely beautiful. I purchased 2 of them after reading the positive reviews and I'm so glad I did. They are very sturdy, and very well made. I must admit I haven't used them yet, but from what I see here, I made an excellent choice. I'm sure not only can I use them to cool my round cakes, layer or Bundt, but I can also cool my baked cookies and pies. I can't wait to use them, which will probably be in a day or 2 with the baking I'm doing for Christmas.